this is the bird week again. So there's been marsh over male white-stub marsh. There's been a few of these. First one to test-bin was the 10 Hewitt's swans and white-fronted geese. There's robins been seen. I can't even tell. Oh right, okay, this is a linnet. Right, that would really help. If like they labelled it. I had to, restart them. Short-eared owls, barn owls, bearded tits. I want to actually watch this video. I'm not going to get copyright for this, I hope. Anyway, yes, a barn owl. That's just an amazing picture. Mean and edited. Short-eared owl, really nice. You can just see the runner. Comes sandpiper at the side. This is Gillingham Way. Long-eared owl, grey fairy, stub marsh. Got kite, starling. I had to find this really funny shot. And every time I try and find a short-eared owl, it's me, technically. Oh my god, why is it so far down? Oh wow, nice closer. Flycrest, robin. Oh my god, where even is it? How long am I going to? Shane. Oh, found it. So Shane got this photo looking for short-eared owls. Have you seen them? I am actually going to upload it to my photos so I can actually... Okay, so they were trying to find a short-eared owl at Sandwich Bay, and it's always in this direction around there. Well, they're looking all that way. It's right in front of them. These people have got it. These people over here, they've got it. But everybody else, they haven't even... I don't think they even know what a short-eared owl is. Because I think that person knew what it was. I'm not trying to be a cyberbully, but they really didn't look like they knew what anything was. Okay, so this is what's been seen again. So there's been Tandem Beandy, Smew, Dossie Ibis, Hen Harrier, Pearl Belly Brent Goose, Register White Rump Sandpiper. In London, Eurasian Bittern, Gloucester, Greater Storp, and White Stork. Also in Kent somewhere. Oh, probably Worth actually, Worth Marshes. There was a hoopoo. What? But reported, yeah. And then this not in UK. Water Pipit in Kent. We were in yesterday already. Harlequin died yesterday. Anyway, next one. Okay, so these are some of the birds that have been seen at Dungeness/Tamworth. I said Tamworth, it's called Tamworth. Okay, so gannets, the straight storp at Tamworth. Okay, I actually thought I kind of paused it, but I really didn't. So I'm not sure what I pressed. So these are all the birds which could be seen. So there's Lapwing, Smew, I don't even know, the Bittern, just the Observatory, Wheatear, Goldfinch, Brindis, that's USA, Hermit Thrush, I think, some sort of swans. I don't actually have a clue. Oh, Bluethroat, Acadian Flycatcher, White Stalk, Benelli's Warbler. Anyway, so this, it hasn't actually been loading, so I'll hopefully get to restart my phone. I hope that's not just me which is doing it, because it's very annoying. So this is what has been seen over Ireland and the UK. Woohoo, yeah. So there's been White Rump, Sandpiper, Tin Idol, White Windstoter, Harlequin Duck, Black Sloter, Leicester Stork, Long-billed Dowitcher, Red-breasted Goose, Double-crested Cormorant, and Eastern Yellow Whitetail. There's been Palliser's Warbler, Great West White, two Richard's Pipits. That was really confusing. 11 Shorelark, 15 Waxwing, Green Teal, 2 South Stoter, 10 Ringneck Duck, 2 Snow Geese, 11 Tundra Geese, Tundra Bean Geese, 12 Tanger Bean Geese, a Ruffed Buzzard, 4 Glossy Ibis, a 2 Limpsdale, 2 Rimbled Gulls, 5 Glaucus, and 15 Iceland Gulls. Oh, that really hurt my voice. Anyway, I'm going to go now. It's a short one. Bye. Nah.